Hey y'all, it's Karen Denton. I'm here at my storage unit. I'm unpacking my van to repack it for tomorrow's project. We're going to tackle those floors in that retail space I showed you guys. So I came to see what I got and what I need. I got some stuff I'll show you guys, but I got some stuff because I got a solution to attacking those floors. But first I gotta unpack this cart. On some construction projects, we have to wear safety gear, hats and vests and boots and stuff. But for that project that we didn't get to start yet, I thought we was gonna need this stuff we don't. I keep my hat with me at all times. So when I go on walkthroughs, I have my hat. Also had to go pick up supplies. This is toilet bowl cleaner. And good thing, cause there's only, oh shoot, I got I got a case already. Alright, well I gotta back up. They use a lot of toilet bowl cleaner. A lot of the sites got a lot of bathrooms. Look what I did to my stick. It's a flat mop. I do this every time I'm trying to squeeze it. I put too much pressure on it and I bend my stick. It's a waste. I know we're gonna be possibly on our knees. So I brought the team some knee pads. I couldn't buy them the kind I got, mine's, because these was too expensive. These is my personal knee pads. So we're taking all of that tomorrow. Even though I got stuff on here that I'm taking tomorrow, I still want to unpack because I want to go clean out the van, vacuum it out and stuff before I pack it back. Yep, so I like challenges and I'm kind of excited to have this floor. Well, it don't seem too much of a challenge now because my vendor told me that it looks like wax that done went under the cabinets throughout the years, plus the rust. So I'm gonna look in a minute. I know I got some stripper here. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with it and my idea. Let me just get everything in its place. Okay, now this machine here, this is called a Kovac machine. It's a flat mop system. And with all the floors now that got wood, just make them more efficient. They come in electric and battery. I got both. My battery one's on one of my office sites. I actually got one more of those machines. I have 2 electric and 1 battery. Okay, now I've done unpacked everything that I don't need. Okay, I'll buy some. I got enough. Okay, so here's what I want to do. Okay, I want to put some stripper inside of these, and we're going to spray around all those edges. Around all those edges. And then I brought some handheld scrapers, and I also got the fork scrapers, the long handle. So, let me put something here before I forget. Because I want to say this is a job where we don't need plastic gloves. We need these. Because we got to protect from the chemicals versus... Yeah, went to Home Depot yesterday to buy some dustpans. And they got this one specific brand. They want you to pay all this money. It's crazy. I'm gonna take some floor signs so we could kind of create a system to know where we were and where we don't need to walk. Should I take some more? Let me see. Okay, so this machine's going. Okay, this machine's going. Neutralizer. Okay, let me take some of this detergent. This is pretty good. I need a spout. Let me show y'all what I use to measure my detergent so my team don't waste their stuff. So they don't waste the detergent. And if you read your detergent, and most people don't, but the kind I use, we need to measure 3 ounces. So this is 3 ounces. So it comes with this. I put this in there. Here's the lid with a little spout. And so it screws on a gallon bottle. And all they have to do is squeeze the bottle, it fills it up to the 3 ounces and pour it in. This way they don't waste chemical. Because people think if they pour a whole lot of chemical, it's going to do a better job. In actuality, if you use too much chemical, you can damage the surface. And if you don't use enough, you're not killing no germs. So you kind of want to be accurate. Okay, so my rep said no pads, brushes. So I'm also taking my auto scrubber. So I need both brushes. Wait, let me make sure. Okay, so I got 2 for that size. Where's my other brush? It might be with the machine. The machine is in the shop. I'm going to pick it up tomorrow. It got to be on there. It's big. Like this. Like it's big. So it got to be on there because there's no pad. If it's, yeah, so it got to be on the machine. Okay. So I need to take some old towels. I don't take my good ones on a project like this. I take the ones that we rewashed a lot. They become my old towels. Let me put this back. Like this bag is full of old towels. I'm gonna take this whole bag, but I don't want to take extra stuff. Yeah, you gotta watch. You end up buying so much stuff throughout the years. But if you don't keep it organized, you'll find that you done bought the same stuff over and over. Okay, so I'm gonna take this whole bag. This ain't the time for new mop heads. It's time for some old ones. I'm gonna take another mop bucket, but it ain't here. Hey y'all, it's Karen Denton. Alright, so we're here at this job. Let me show you what the stripper did. So the stripper wiped this. Ooh, they will scrape this right up. I think we'll be able to bring these floors back to life. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna try something I want to try and see if we could bring these floors back to life. Alright, so I'll let you guys see our progress. But this is a challenge. This is a challenge. Alright, talk to you guys later. Alright, y'all, what you think? We bringing these floors, we gonna bring this floor back to life or what? This is that one square that I stripped. So we decided we need the stripper, so we're gonna put stripper on the rest of the squares, scrape them up, and then see what the auto scrubber do. Water pressure's so low, so while we waiting for it to fill up, we doing this. This is a lot. That's just one square, y'all. We got a ton of them. All right, just showing y'all the progress so far. All right.